all in it.
Oh,
Get out of it.
cuteness.
Wobbly feet.
It's probably hard to walk on the hardwood floor too. Oh no, he's fine.
Oh, I've got my hand pushed up against his back.
Oh, I love you.
Is that one? Not supposed to eat that dog food or what?
Well, it's a little big yet for him.
Oh, he must be doing alright. Looks like he's wolfing her down.
You are so vicious. Unbelievably vicious. There are so many of you. Oh, hello, buddy. You're short, you can't jump that high. How long have you had the other two corgis?
We get
Spike 6 or 5 or 6?
7.
And she, like she said, 3 in March.
Okay, he's vicious. You can't have a cute one. Oh. Why can't we just be nice?